Wala. Madali pa. Ayun oh. Kita ko. Oh. Ayun oh.
Yep. I gotta supply you. Brush your face.
Not my face. My hair only. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Good morning.
Good morning.
For today's video,
For this video,
what do you do?
what I do for my Nina for I think your exercise. I think take watching. Bye.
You pick the white hair.
Yep. I got a pick.
Oh, start na.
You
pick the white hair.
Bye.
No. You pick my white hair. Asan yung pangtanggal mo?
Hindi yan. Tapos na.
Ayun, may nakita pa ako white hair oh. Oh, dali. Pick the white hair. White hair only.
I got it.
You got it?
I not got it.
You got it?
It is a little.
Just white hair
I
only.
got it.
Okay. Very good. Oh, see?
I see.
Okay. One more.
Nice.
One more. White hair only.
I see it.
Pick the white hair only.
The white big.
White hair only.
Yeah, I see the white hair big.
Big? Big or low? Ano? Long or short?
Big.
Big? Meron bang big?
Oh. There's it.
Okay. Oh.
And I can do that. Okay, finish. Now.
No.
So bright.
There's so many white
leg.
hair.
My leg is not my heart. My heart's still up white hair in my face. I have white hair in my book. What is this?
Your head? No.
Then I got white hair here for my hair. Okay. Then dye here. Brush. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Bye.